In front of me is Nokia G42, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now you can finally tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Following that, just hit Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!